boys and girls, for this assignment, you're just going to need your whiteboard and your marker. So if you want to pause the video while you grab those two things, go ahead and pause, and then when you're ready, you can click play. Your whiteboard and your marker. Okay, so we've got the words we've been practicing this week over to the side. We have eat, my, has, no, from. And then we have a sentence over here where a word is missing. And so I'm going to give you a second. Just try and read the sentence to yourself. Get back to the correct one. Hold on. There we go. Sorry about that. So here's the sentence that you're looking at. So go ahead and try and read that to yourself. And we're trying to figure out what word is missing. And you're going to write the missing word on your board. You're not going to try and write the whole sentence. You're just going to think what word would make sense here. Okay, so it says, this is blank dog. And so I might know right away which one of my words makes sense. If I don't, though, I can try each one. So my first one says eat. This is eat dog. I think, I don't think that sounds right. I can go to my second one, my. This is my dog. And to me, that makes sense, but I might want to just try all of my words just to be sure that's the one I want. This is has dog. This is no dog. This is from dog. And so my brain is telling me that the word my makes sense. So on your board, you're just writing the word my. You're not trying to write the whole sentence. You're just putting the missing word on your board. Okay, so you should have the word my. This is my dog. Okay, so when we go to the next one, you're going to see a sentence missing a word, and you're going to try and figure out which word is missing. Okay, so here is our next sentence. I'll give you a second to look at it. See if you can figure out what it says. See if you can figure out the missing word. Write it on your board. And then if you need a little bit of help, I'll walk you through it, but try first on your own. Okay, so we have our sentence that says, he blank a red hat. And so go try each of these words. The first one is eat. He eat a red hat. My. He my a red hat. Has. He has a red hat. No. He know a red hat. From. He from a red hat. So eat, my, has, no, from. Go ahead and write your word that you think belongs in the space. Go ahead and write it on your board, just the word. And you should have the word has. He has a red hat. Go ahead and erase your board, and we'll get ready for our next one. Okay. So the sentence says, I got a present blank my mom. But when I forgot to put my period there, there should be a period at the end of the sentence. I got a present blank my mom. So look at your choices over there. And see if you can figure out which one of those would make sense. Remember, the words are eat, my, has, no, and from. I got a present blank my mom. So if you need to pause to think about it, go ahead. And when you're ready, go ahead and click play, and we'll see if you have the same word that I write. I got a present from my mom. So on your board, you should have F-R-O-M. Okay, go ahead and erase your board. Let's try our next sentence. Okay. We blank apples. Okay, think about your choices. Eat, my, has, no, from. Okay, you can pause to think about it. You can click pause. Remember, you're just writing the word. And when you're ready, click play. You should have picked the word eat. We eat apples. We eat apples. Go ahead and erase the word eat. And we should have one more sentence left. Okay. This, my mom said blank. My mom said blank. So we've got the word eat, my, has, no, and from. The slide moved again. Hold on one second. Let me get to the correct slide. There we go. All right, so go ahead and figure out which word you think makes sense. If you need to click pause, you can click pause. And you should have picked the word no. My mom said no.